Okay everyone, in this video I'm going to explain to all of you about how to make a corner standing shelf. Okay, first of all we have to make a rotated rectangle to basic shape. We can set the thickness around 400 millimeter and set the length about the shelf itself around a 1000 and okay, we can set the shelf around 1000 millimeter. Okay, and then we can push it up. Okay, we can push it up around 500 millimeter, or maybe it's just lower than it. We can push it down 100 millimeter. Okay, and then we can offset this inside. We can offset to the inside around 20 millimeter. Then we can push it to the limit. We can push it to the background 380 millimeter. Okay, and then we can make group, and after that we can make component just create it. Okay, and after that we can enter the group, and we can make another vertical shelf here. Okay, can push it to the right. You can push it to the right around 10 millimeter and to the left around 10 millimeter also. Then we have to erase it, and then we can assign the material with the synthetic surface and formica laminated like. Okay, and then we can duplicate it by move, control, and place on here, and then we can rotate it around 90 degree. Then we can place in the appropriate position. Just see the video, and then we can move and duplicate it and place on the top level, and place it on the top level also. So it about the corner. So it about the corner standing shelf. Okay, and then we can make another shelf right here. Okay, we can make another shelf, and we can just offset it. Okay, then we can push it until the limit and make group, and also we can assign with the another material maybe to make it more fresh look anyway. Okay, and then we can push it up, make group, and we can duplicate this box, duplicate this rectangle to the another side. Okay, and then we can rotate it 90 degree. Okay, and then we can move, and then we can move again to the another appropriate position anyway. Then we can just make another shelf. Okay, I think it's enough. I hope all of you get a lot of benefit from this video, and wait for my next video. Thank you.